Today we're going to bring a pressure washer. Now this is for your vehicles. Everything you see is included in here. We're going to go a little bit more in depth of what you need. And in fact, this is mobile, so it's wireless. If you want to take this with you, you are going to require a couple things. You're going to require the soap, and you're going to require charging on the actual batteries, and your bucket of water if you want, or you could directly connect it to a water hose. Today we're just going to use a bucket so we can test it out here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else is included. So let's go in details. All right, this is the filter. Prior to using it, soak this for a couple of minutes in water just to make sure that all the water is going to be passing through. They give you plenty of extensions. You could connect this through the hose itself directly. It comes with a power adapter, so you could connect it to a power adapter. Where the fluid, this is going to be where the actual car wash fluid is going to be at. So, and then the gun itself, and it comes with this beautiful case. So let's put it together and start using it. First things first, filter one end, and then the actual connection to the water hose or directly to the actual bucket, right? So this is going to be for the filter. This is going to go in the bucket here. So we're going to pull it up there. So the filter, so any particles or anything will go through the actual water, and you could design it how you want. So you could filter your water if you want prior to using it, or just get it off the faucet. So this is for the minerals, won't penetrate. We're going to put it in there, let it soak up for a couple minutes before we start prior to the wash. So we're gonna set up and wash this car right now in a bit. All right, there's two types of nozzle. This is a straightforward here, and this is actually a straight line. So you get to set up whatever you want in here, these two. Now we're gonna set up the actual fluid first. We're gonna set it up with car wash fluid first, and then you could also set up nozzles in here. So very simple to replace. You could just interchange them however you want. If you want both to be the same, it's part of it. So right now we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see how it works. With we're gonna actually wash the car first prior to setting this. We're gonna actually rinse the car first, and then we're gonna set up some soap. All right, let's go ahead and start with the water first. That's one. There's the other one. We got both of them. There we go. All right, let's get a little bit of soap in the actual system itself. All right, just a little bit. Try to fill up all the way to the line. There is a line there, how much soap you want to put in. Cap it up with the bottom one. If you guys can see, we're going to cap this one up so it could clog it up. All right, we're gonna finish it out with the last one, the spray. So with it, you don't really have to dry it if you have good water, but I suggest dry the car. Overall, you could take this pretty much anywhere you want. It could be a park, it could be a parking lot. All you do is need a bucket of water and you're set to go. Now the pressure is a little low, but you could increase it as you go along with. The nozzles itself, there's two options, and there's a clogging one. So just be aware that the top one is for the clogging one, is for the soap to just come out. You don't want to wet the soap at the same time. So very simple to put together. And at the end of the day, you got two batteries. If you guys see, I didn't charge this one at all. I just got it out of the box. Continued to it took out the whole entire wash. Nothing happened to the actual battery. It's still valid. We're still charging the other one. We didn't even have to use the two batteries. So this is a small car, small vehicle, but you could use it for anything you want. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.